Have you ever wondered how your favorite snack gets from a farm, maybe halfway across the world, right into your hands? It's not magic. It's something called supply chain management. Let's break it down with a story about the world's most delicious cookie. Meet Leo and Mia. They invented the super cookie, and it became an instant hit. Leo, we sold out. We need to bake 1,000 more by tomorrow, Mia cheered. But Leo looked worried. Mia, we only have enough flour for 50. The milk is bad, and we have no way to deliver them. Their business was about to crumble. Suddenly, a figure in a bright yellow vest appeared. "Error," she said crisply. "You have a great product, but you don't have a supply chain." This was Rhonda, the routing manager, and she was here to save their cookie empire. A supply chain, Rhonda explained, is the long, interconnected chain that brings a product from raw materials to the customer. With a snap of her fingers, they were standing on a sunny farm. The first step is sourcing. You need to guarantee your raw materials to flour, sugar, and milk. If the farmer runs out of wheat, your chain breaks right at the start. Mia realized, we need to be sure we have the right ingredients arriving at the right time. Precisely, Rhonda confirmed. A strong chain demands perfect timing. Next, Rhonda whisked them away to a giant, bustling factory kitchen. This is manufacturing where your raw materials are transformed into the finished product. They watched as dough went in one end and perfect super cookies, packaged and ready, came out the other. "This is so much faster," Leo exclaimed. "But the boxers are stacking up. We need to move them." "Excellent observation," Rhonda said. "Now you need the next link. Logistics." Back at their shop, the final piece fell into place. A fast delivery truck was now part of the plan. Rhonda showed them the complete chain, from the farm to the factory to the delivery truck, and finally to a happy customer. "Remember this rule?" Rhonda said. "A supply chain is only as strong as its weakest link. If the flour is late, the cookies stop. If the truck breaks down, the customers wait." Leo finally got it. The perfect cookie isn't just a perfect recipe. It's a perfect, well-timed chain of resources and transport. That's supply chain management. So the next time you enjoy a snack, think of the incredible journey it took. It's a fascinating world of planning, timing, and teamwork. If you enjoyed this little lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories that break down big ideas. Thanks for watching.